Okay. Here's why you don't want to fail at all. If you fail, even if it's just your first time, you will have to wait 60 days before you can take your second try. And you will have to pay again. Every single time you pay. Also, a no call, no show is considered a fail. So you will have to pay again. And it will be on record as your first attempt. Okay? I think you have a 72-hour to cancel or reschedule your set schedule for the exam. Okay? How do you take the PTCB? Okay, you go, the PTCE. You go to the website called ptcb.org. ptcb.org. And then you go to certifications. And then apply for certification. Since they have two now, they have the PTCE and the CSPT, you want to choose the PTCE first. Because you cannot take the CSPT if you're not CPhT. Okay? And then it will walk you through step by step. You will have to pay online. You will receive an email, which is your authorization to test. You will receive a number. And then you will go to another website. They have a link to that. And it's called Pearson VUE. That's the testing center that administers the test. It will tell you where the Pearson VUE location is. It will populate the schedule available. You can choose your schedule. It goes up to Saturday too. Okay, so you may take it anytime, Monday to Saturday, as long as the spot for that day is available. It will have times as to its availability. Is that clear?